हरि ओम।
ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः।
ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः।
भद्रं पश्येम अक्षभिर्यजत्राः।
भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः।
स्थिरैरङ्गैः
स्थिरैरङ्गैः
तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः।
सुष्ठुवागुंसस्तनूभिः
व्यसेम देवहितं यदायुः।
व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः।
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः।
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः।
स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः।
स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः।
स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः।
स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः।
स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु।
स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ अग्ने नयसुपथा राये अस्मान्।
ॐ अग्ने नयसुपधाराये अस्मान्।
विश्वानि देवा
विश्वानि देवा
वयुनानि विद्वान्।
वयुनानि विद्वान्
वयुनानि विद्वान् युयोध्यस्म
युयोत्यस्मा
जुहुराणमेनो।
पुराणमेनो
भूयिष्ठां ते नमः किं विधेम।
भूयिष्ठान्ते नम उक्तिं विधेम।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि।
ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि।
वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुः
वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुः
श्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि।
श्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि।
सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदम्।
सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदम्।
माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम्।
माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम्।
मा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु।
मा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु।
निराकरणमस्तु।
अनिराकरणमस्तु।
निराकरणं मे अस्तु।
अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु।
तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्माः।
तदात्मनि निरते उपनिषत्सु धर्माः।
ते मयि सन्तु।
ते मयि सन्तु।
ते मयि सन्तु।
ते मयि सन्तु।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन्
विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः।
So this is the wonderful mantram contribution given by the Namakam or Rudradhyayam or Rudra Prashna of the Yajurveda, where you see ultimately the various manifestations or the immense powers that this Rudra is having. And one more point we have to learn from that is Om Rudraya Dhanvane Namaha. This is also a beautiful mantra, powerful mantra, something like Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Then Bhagavate Rudraya refers to the Bhaga or the wealth or Aishwarya or Vibhava that the Rudra Bhagavan possesses in his totality of the personality. But when we say Om Rudraya Atadhanvine Namaha, so now you see him ready to help us. Atadhanuhu means a stretched bow. Like Kodandarama, one need not, if at all any calamity were to arise or any problem arises, one need not search for the weapon. And if your weapon is also ready with you, then you will be instantaneously able to attend to that. Something like the doctors keeping their medical kit next to them always. So that Atata Dhannu is important, the stretched bow. And because we always make prayer to Rudra, not only to his person, to his shoulders, to his bow, to his arrows, and more than all that, we make namaskara for his manu, the anger, the wrath, the ferociousness, the fiercefulness of him, because that is the Rudra, Ghora Rupa, because actually Rudra means Ghora, and we have to make that Ghora Rupa of Rudra to Aghora, that is what appeasement. So a Ghora Rudra becomes Aghora when he is appeased. But what are the ways that we should appreciate? And that's exactly what we have been taught in the concluding Anuvakas of the Namakam. That is in 10th and 11th Anuvakas of Rudram, you find how to cow down, and when once he becomes calm, peaceful, gracious, and readiness to help us, then what he has to do for us, that also we have to educate. See, you gods do not know anything. You have to educate them what they should do to you. And whatever you ask, if there is a good meaning in our prayer or in our request, then automatically they will oblige. Therefore, only so many vratas have come up, so many gods have come up. They are all the administrative forces in order to fulfill the desires of people in the globe, all over the world, all over bhuvanas, because there are hundreds of people who are trying to have different circumstances and contexts and desires and size of desires. You see, desire is only one, but the magnitude of the desires also vary. But Rudra should be so much armed and powerful that he should be able to rise up to any level of calamity or any level of service that he has to do for the devotee, being pleased with the prayers. So how do you do the service to God? That is one. We have got, we make Rudra to get pleased with the offering of water, fruit, light, and dhupa, deepa, naivedya, tambula, and mantra pushpam, abhishekam. All these things are all given to him in order to see that he becomes cool, calm, pleasant, and obliging. And this part is we call as a puja. So that's what we call Rudra Puja. And that Rudra Puja could be done also as a Rudra Parayanam or Rudra Abhishekam or Rudra Homa, or all these things are there. All becomes, that's why Shankaracharya has told us, Yad yad karma karomi tat tadakhilam shambho tavaradhanam. So Shankara ultimately gives a final thought. Whatever I am doing, whatever karma I am doing, that all must go as a part of worship to your feet. Then Rudra cannot grumble, we have no fear. Therefore, that is one part where you can appease him. And also we give arati, that is arti haranam, and we offer light through camphor burning or wicks with ghee burning or mixing kumkuma in water, whatever form, but you try to bring the grace of the Paramatma up to our yard and also into us, so that we will be rid of negativity and we become really active, energetic, and enthusiastic. And before all that, we will do sankalpam. You know, we have done sankalpam when we start, where you have got to tell the condition and the timing that you are taking to worship. Subhe Sobhane Muhurte, then you have to mention the year, day, time, and all this. And also you should tell why are you doing? God should also know the purpose for which he is being commanded, or he is being invoked, or he is being remembered. So that's all comes under the word sankalpam. And before that sankalpam, after sankalpam, you have got to make also water which you want to use in the puja, sanctified. That's why we call kalasharadhanam, we do it. So before we do any abhishekam to God, you must have kalasa puja. Make the ka is water, la is to deposit, sha is the container. So the container having the water in it is called a kalasham. Look at the word kalasham in Sanskrit. And that kala will give sham, shanti for you. Because apo by shantah. Our Yajurveda says basically water makes you cool, makes you peaceful. That's why whether you are angry or you are coughing or you have got it choking, drink water. That will silence the trouble in the body. Like that, it's called kala sham. Sham karoti. Sham karoti apaha. And that is deposited in that. That's called kalasham. And then you have got all these puja and all that done. So these are all some of the ways through which you are able to cow down the anger and make the God to be a Bruda, Brudani. Bruda means make him so compassionate and obliging to our desires. That's why in the 9th and 10th Anuvaka, the chief point which we remind Rudra is Mruda Jaritre Rudra. Hey Rudra, Jaritre Mruda. Whoever thinks of you, whoever offers some kind of devotion and attention and worship towards you, please be compassionate and kind to them. That's what we are going to. So these are all some of the introductory things I want to tell you, because every time it strikes to her, oh, why should I attend Rudram? Why should I? No, it is a global peace, because Rudra mantras are for peace and enlightenment. The moment you recite Rudram and keep quiet, you get simply enlightenment. All the dirt in our body or contamination or hopeless thoughts in our body will get dispelled and light enters into it. And moreover, we have got to pick up most important items. One is the Panchakshari mantra, Om Namah Shivaya Cha, Shivataraya Cha. So here you are making namaskar to Shiva, not only Shiva, but also the controller, the Adishakti Swarupini, Mahasaraswati, that is Parvati Devi, or he is called Shivani. So that's what both of them we just salute. Then we have got beautiful Mrutyunjaya mantra, because Mrutyu is always striking us. Pasha Mrutyo Martya Yahantave. Thousands of pashas are there to grab and take away the life and happiness of people. There are many more things to rob our happiness than support our happiness in life. So if not today, tomorrow it will be there. If not, whatever yesterday will again become green 2 days after. So that kind of Artiharana could be done through Mrutyunjaya Japa or Mrutyunjaya Stotra. And again, you are making appeal. Another important contribution of our Rudram is all Namaste Rudramanya Dhare. Namaste Stu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya. So Bhagavat Swarupam or the Aishwarya Swarupam or plenitude of plenitude of wealth of Paramatma is being shown out in examples. What is that plenitude of Vaibhavam? Vishveshwaraya, Mahadevaya, Triyambakaya, Tripurantakaya, Trikatmi, all these things, and ultimately Mahadevaya Namaha. So Deva becomes Mahadeva. Mahadeva means endowed with all necessary powers, and then he will be able to do it out. So this way, in Rudram, you have got advantageous expressions and thoughts that will relieve us from moroseness, laziness, and cause you to attain the highest good, Paramapadam. Paramapada praptaye Rudram namami, because Rudra is also an eligible God who can give you ultimately the moksha. No God can give you moksham, but moksha pradatatvam is only authorized for Vishnu and Rudra or Shiva. Therefore, moksha, that's why in Mahanyasam, you have got the objectives that he says that Vyadhinasanarthi, Putrarthi, etc. Moksharthi, and ultimately Moksharthi evam jatva Ishanamavahayami. So we take the count of the Ishana Swarupam of Lord Rudra and make all further worship and formalities and procedures. See that he is being completely made cool, calm and pleasant. So in the context of continuation of our Rudram, we are just going with the 10th paragraph or 10th Anuvaka. See, Anuvaka is Sanskrit word. Vaka is utterance, Ucharana, recitation. Anuvaka is the repetition of that. You know, power is generated, heat is generated only when you repeat things. That's what we call as Abhyasa. Abhyasa Yogena. This Abhyasa is also taken as yoga. Yoga means you get attached, you get engrossed, you are not tired of repeating that. Depending upon the time schedule and patience limitations, you recite one mantra or a few mantras constantly for a particular period, then you will see the benefit out of it. Therefore, this is what we call Anuvaka. And Rudra is known to be in Ekadasa Rudra. We have got names to them also. So there are, Rudra is available to us in 11 forms. So that he will be a Vishwarupa, Vishveshwara. That's why Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya Triyambakaya. So there are 12 Jyotirlingas. Among the 12 Jyotirlingas, the final best Jyotirlinga will be the Vishveshwaralinga in Banaras or Kasi. That means we go to Kasi to exit. And Kasi is supposed to be the Maha Smashanam, the king of all Smashanas. So every town, every village, everywhere there are the graveyards. But the ruling graveyard of graveyards is Kasi. Therefore, Kasya Maranam, people say that. Because Rudra is the immediate power to give us exit and entry into the higher world. Therefore, but before that, we have been given the time to exist upon the earth, whatever be that. Generally, we are told the 100 measures. Shatamanam bhavati shatayuhu. So Shatamanam means 100 years. Because in our Vedic mathematics, a year is the unit. Samvatsaro va apamayatanam. So ayatanam, the measure is only Samvatsaraha. And that is what is the resort for the water. So that means Samvatsara means every year we have got rainy season. It is not alternate years or more. No, every year. So annual rains we are going to get. Everything is annual for us. Annual pujas and annual festivals and all, because people are otherwise to get busy and engaged. Therefore, yearly once if it comes, we don't bother. We are happy to perform puja and all attention to the gods. Therefore, the annual thing is important. So that's why 100 annual days or years have been granted. And so everything repeats as a part of cycle every year. That's an advantage for us. Shivaratri comes only once in year. But every month Shivaratri comes. But we don't take note of that the same time. So, but Shivaratri, that Mahasivaratri we call it. And on that day, all people give a lot of attention to Lord Rudra. So like that annual thing. But meanwhile, what you have got to do, that's what we are getting knowledge about in the 11th, in the 10th Anuvaka. The other day, we have covered a prayer to Rudra, what he has to do. That is what it is. Imagum Rudraya Tavaseka Partine Chayadviraya Prabharamahe Matim. I am not reading the 5th line or 6th line in 142 page of Veda Mantraha, means Saswara Veda Mantraha of Ramakrishna Kannada version. So there, Imagum Rudraya, actually I have explained, but still I give you a refreshing the thought that Rudraya Tavase Imam Kapardine Chayadviraya Matim Praharamahe. So you should always tell Rudra, what are you doing? Kya kar raha ho? Yeah, you invited me here, you made me sit here, and then what are you doing to me? Because, the gods, especially Shiva, is in linga form, that is ultimate. And we have got two kinds of lingas, you all know that. One is a Charalinga and another is a Sthiralinga. The Sthiralingas are installed in the temples. When once the Pratishtha of Shivalinga takes place in a temple, nothing like removing it, because, and you have the Utsava Linga or Utsava Vigraha of Lord Shiva, and that we take into streets annually. Shivotsavas we call it. So Shivotsavas and Ramotsavas, these are the two. During Vasantarism, in Vasanta time, we will have Ramotsavas. During Shivaratri times, we will have Shivotsavas. Both Shiva and Rama, Shiva and Vishnu are being taken out into the streets of the town. That has been Sampradaya. Now it's in the temple, some people only do it. But otherwise, in olden days, in villages and other places, there used to be 9 days that Bhagavan, Vishnu or Shiva will survey the roads of the town, and they stop at each house wherever they want to, the house people want to offer worship. So that in our young days, we used to have that kind of exposure. And whenever somebody comes out with puja dravyam to offer to the Utsava Shiva or Vishnu, we used to stop there. Then, because my grandfather built a temple in Anantapuram, Shiva temple and Vishnu temple, and there's Rama temple, and so they used to have both. And we used to go with that chariot of Mahabhagavan and go to the street and all that. So that's why I am remembering all my young days when I'm talking about this particular thing, because Imam Prabharamahe Matim means our best thoughts have got to be published. Prabhara is to make known. You should make the gods to get knowing of the feelings that we have got in the absence of time, that we are in touch with the God and ourselves. We can't remember always God. We have got our own professional family and other times. So sometimes we forget. And that kind of diversion of attention by us because of the mundane existence and pressures and problems. God tolerates it. But at least He wants some time to be shared. That's why we have got three things: Adi Bhautika, Adi Daivika, and Adhyatmika. So Adhyatmika is beginning. Adi Daivikam, Adi Bhautam, and come about environment, then to God. So God does not want to always be with you. Something like a child cannot be always with you. You just attend to child, leave the child for itself to play. And like that here, Prabharamahe Matim. Matim is the prarthana. Mati is the mantra. Mati is the stotra. Mati is your noble thoughts. You have learned Sukta. Ano Bhadraha Kratavo Yantu Viswataha. So that Viswataha is from all directions, we should get noble thoughts and drive away the ignoble thoughts which constantly stay in our mind. So it is an effort to drive away the ignoble thought and invite the noble thoughts. So to think of Rudra is a noble thought, is a very auspicious thought. Therefore, we announce to Rudra that I am going to bring you a happy thought of prayer to you. And Rudra, who are you? Kapardin Chayadviraha. Why I am turning my attention to you of all the other priorities? Because you are able to destroy my enemies. And you are a hero. You are our defense personnel who can stand as security guard to us. So you are called Chayadviraha. And again, you are Kapardin. That is, you are Kapardin means you can hold problems on your head. Hair is important one, which has got its own advantage. A bald-headed fellow suffers the heat of the sun, while a person who has rich hair, he doesn't go. That's why Bhartrihari gives an idea, Karvato Divaseswarasya. So there is a Subhashita, a bald man being tormented by the rays, hot rays of the sun, he goes to take shelter underneath a palm tree. Unfortunately, he is going and Kaka Agamana and Talapatana all happens at a time, and his head will be hurt. Like that. But if you have got a kaparda, rich hair, the head will not be immediately hurt by that. So I mean to say that Shiva is a best shock absorber. Whatever kind of shock you want to give him, he withstands that. So you should always think of that kind of bad conductor of electricity or power, so that you can use it. When you stand on the stool, wooden stool, and operate that power, you are not hurt. But if you are standing on the ground, you will be electrocuted. Like that here, Kapardine Chayadviraya Matim Prabharamahe. Then again you have to tell him, why are you doing that? Yatha, so that Naha Shamaha, one, Shama Sat, we should have peace. Unless you are calm and pleasant and in your mind, you will not do puja. Unless you are urged internally, you cannot think of doing noble job. That's why we make a beginning prayer, Apavitra Pavitro Va, Sarvavasthangato Viva, Yasmare Pundarikaksham, Saha Bahihi Abhyantarataha Suchihi. Saha Suchihi, when he becomes pleasant in his mind and both outside and inside, only he remembers the Pundarikaksha. That is the looks of Lord Shiva upon us, or Rudra or Vishnu upon us, is so pleasant, beautiful, calm, cool, just like that of the lotus. See, the sight of lotus is a matter of delight to everybody. And the other day I saw one Sahasradala Padma photograph somewhere, somebody posted it. Then it was Sahasradala Padma, because 1,000 petals. Normally we see not so many petals in a lotus, but Sahasrara Sarojata Vasitayai Namo Namaha. The best Parameswari chooses. As you go to choose best in the shop, in your shopping ideas, you always choose the best. Even Parameswari also chosen the best seat where there are 1,000 petals to a lotus. So here, that's what Naha Shamaha, Shama Sat. And not only for us, Dvipade, to all bipeds, Chatushpade, to all the quadruped, those animals, because people are considered taking the count of the legs that the being is having. Is it two-legged animal or three-legged animal or four-legged animal? And all animals which have got three and more is plural. You know, you have got you have got the eight-legged animals are there. Don't know. And but there are also animals which have no legs at all, like serpent. Serpent has no legs, but it crawls. All the crawling creatures. So anyway, all of them, Shayadviraya, so Dvipade, Chatushpade. What he has to do? Vishwam Pushtam Grame, Vishwam Pushtam Grame Asmin Anaturam. So Pushti, Anatura are the two promises which we expect from Rudra. Pushti is whenever you are hungry, whenever you are in need, you should get the food. That Poshaka Dravyas you should be having. That means good agricultural harvest, agricultural products and productivity that are all edibles. So food engineering, food supply, and all that connected to food issue should be completely full and maximum. That's why Pushtam. And more important, Asmin Grame, in this village, most important is Anaturam. Atura is Rogam, health problems or calamities, natural calamities, etc. All that must not be there. You should be healthy. Unless you are healthy, you can't eat your food. Otherwise, you will dislike any and everything. You can't admit food into you if we are all aturas. That's why we always pray that we should be anaturas, na aturatvam. Atura not only means a disease, something that is connected to our body and other environment that will make us unhappy. So if in the village, if other people are also unhappy, then you are unhappy, because we are always advised to develop generality, more so the ethical generality. If others are feeling bad, you have to also share it to the extent that is possible and capable. That's why Asminnanaturam. So one is he has to extend Shama, because we have offered him the necessary thing. Next line tells you, Mrudano Rudro Utano Mayaskrudhe Shayadviraya Namasa Vidhemate. So you are giving a list of things that he has got to mark and then attend to you. You means you, your family members, your town citizens, and the nation and Bhuvanas. So Mama does not mean only you. There is no egoistic feeling there. No Veda mantra is egoistic in meaning. All Veda mantras have got reference to all people that have taken birth upon the Bhuvanas. So Bhu Bhuvana is also one. Therefore, we see that Veda stands for long years, because there is no egoistic feeling. There is no individualization. There is always a generalization. And when it is general, you are also included in the general. If all my family members be all right, means you are also a member of the same family you are talking about. Therefore, Mrudano Rudra, hey Rudra, Uta means and. I have given you some list, and also I want to add you. Uta, Naha, Mayaha, Krudhi. So definitely you not only give us a good time and all good things, but you give us Mayaha means moksha. What is real Maya? What chota mota happiness that we get is no good for us. So Karna in Karnabharam, the Brahmin, Indra, who comes in the form of Brahmin, when Karna offered so many gifts to that Brahmin, and every time that anything offered, that Brahmin was telling in Karnabharam drama, one act play by Bhasa, the greatest dramatist of earlier times, he says, Chanam Anubhavami, Kim Karomi, Chanam Anubhavami, Chanam Anubhavami. Shanta Sai will understand. So for everything he was replying, what is that use for me? I can only just enjoy for a while. I don't want temporary enjoyment. Ultimately, Karna gets vexed and says, what do you want? Then the Brahmin says that Indra, your Sahaja Kaucha Kundalas I want. So Karna is a Dana Sura, therefore he just removed and gave it away. So like that, here also the same tempo, that we don't want always to go with the temporary happiness, but we want to have Mayas Krudhi. We want the ultimate happiness, the moksham or emancipation. And who is this fellow? Chayadviraya. So he is one who is able to remove all kinds of problems. So Veera is enemies. So any enemy at any time is a problem for us. If not, he is not striking us now, he will strike us later. Something like Krishnadevaraya's empire was being attacked by Gajapati king in the absence of Krishnadevaraya and other such important armies. At that time, the Nannaya Bhattu or so, he just writes a poem and sends to Gajapati. That poem made that Gajapati feel ashamed and go back, because he says, Kukka chochina rita chochudavu Gajendra. Say Gajapati is being Kukka chochina choch. So he says, just like a dog enters into a market, you are entering like dog in a place where there is no inspector, where there is no king. So when that king has been compared to a kukka, then he felt immediately ashamed of that writing. That way, pen is mightier than sword. Always we debate a question, pen is mightier than sword or sword is mightier than pen, but ultimately the decision is pen is mightier. Therefore, he is called Chayadviraya. To such type of Chayadvira Rudra, what are we doing? Namasa Vidhema. Namasa is food, is the offering, is the appeasement. Te means specifically you are mentioning. There may be so many other people along with you, and no, you should tell the name. That's why when you mention the name, Agnaye Swaha, Agnaye idam namama, Chandraya Swaha, Chandra idam namama. Because when you are doing Homa, all gods are visitors. They're all occupying their chairs and watching the Agna, and they're all waiting there whether they get the share or not. So whenever they're offering, their name is mentioned, they go, car marble. But here, Rudra is being given prominence, Adhyakshatva, something like Krishna being made as a chief guest in the Rajasuya Yaga done by the Dharmaraja, and which was not liked by Shishpala, and that was a cause for his end. No, here, te means specifically, I am giving you that. And further list we are adding here, when we say, Yaksham cha yos cha manuraya je pita tadasyama tava rudra pranitau. Again, Rudra, Rudra, Rudra. You are hammering his head with the calling. When you call a god or name number of times, you really pay your absolute attention towards the person who calls you number of times. So, Pranitau, Rudra, Tava Pranitau, when we are submitting ourselves to you, and you should be careful, we will be asking Humpty Dumpty number of things. We don't know what is good, what is not good for us. Anybody who purchased the Mysore State Lottery wants the state lottery to come to him. Does it come? Only lucky one or two people will get. But everybody will offer tenkai for the god. Oh, Namge Mysore State Lottery ticket varbe, Koino State Lottery, or anything like that. But here he said that Pranitau tava asyama. Yet, why I am telling it? Yet Yaha Manuraya Jepita. So yet and yaha, these are the two important relative forms in Sanskrit. That option is given to the giver, the donor. ಎಷ್ಟು 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯೋ ವೇದಾಧ್ಯಯನ ಕೇಂದ್ರಕ್ಕೋ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯೋ, that's all your option. No prescription, you should give only this much. No, somebody gives $11, somebody gives $1. Yes, it is going to the stream of work to the Kendra thing, something like that. Any activity like that, he says yatu tatu. Here you see the freedom of thought, freedom of desire, and freedom of option, and freedom of granting. Unless that freedom is given to the God by the devotee, the God may get irritated. Sometime, some beggars come in the Grand Trunk Express. 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ beggar comes and asks, 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇవ్వండి సార్, ఏమొస్తుంది, కాఫీ కూడా రాదు అంట. If you give 1 rupee coin, he will immediately react. Some beggars, I have seen them. ఏమొస్తుంది సార్, 10 రూపాయలు, 1 రూపాయికి 10 రూపాయలు ఇవ్వండి సార్ అంటాడు. So even beggar, you become immediately angry. Even if a Purohita were to ask like that, you must give. That's why our people say, Manasotsaha parimiti suvarna pushpa dakshinam dadyat. So our rishis are so great that they never prescribe. Prescription is simply irritating sometimes. Therefore, Manasotsaha parimiti, however much your mind permits, with enthusiasm, not grumbling. Shraddhayadeyam, ashraddhayadeyam. So, bhiyadeyam, samvidadeyam. This is how Upanishad goes. So, on every Monday, we have got that Upanishad class, and of course, they are all coming in the. Our Seshatala is doing a wonderful job putting in our web, so that you will be able to listen to that. There, giving is important. The amount you give is your option. That's why yat sham sami yat sham, whatever that is shanti pradam to me. Sham means shanti pradam, that which will make me comfortable, that much I want. And tat asyama, may we attain that, not simply giving the check, but that check must be honored in the bank, then only it's okay. So tadasyama means get the check honored, and yat means check being given to him. So that you should see the responsibility of Rudra not only in giving, making that being realized by the bhakta. Oh, idella Rudrana anugrahapa, Rudrana ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ, ಶಿವನ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದಿಂದ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ನಮ್ದೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿವ ಮಹಿಮ. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಶಿವನು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಕಾಪಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಕಾಪಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಕಾಪಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಟಿಮಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಶಿವನಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೇ ರುದ್ರ ತವ ಪ್ರಣೀತವು. ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಮ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಇನ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್. Though you make general prayer, but Rudram tells you, you should also be giving the details of your want. Yenen want appa, in a cotton dress beka, silk dress beka, athwa yen kind of what kind color, adu kuda white color beka, green color beka, idella keltaralva kodavaru. Adukkoskara illi next line antalli you have got see the particularization, rather specifications of our desire. One, Mano Mahantam. Know all Mahan people who are taking care of our country, who are taking care of our family, who are taking care of me, etc. They should not be disturbed. Secondly, Uta Arbhakam. Uta means and. Arbhakam, the children, youngsters. See, all people cannot become Mahans. Everybody is Arbhaka, is a boy, is a Sudra. That's why basic. That's why Manu says, Janmana jayate Sudraha samskarad vijavichyate. Then Vedadhyayanat vipraha acharena srotriyo bhavet. So these are the stages. All are born Sudras, means service-minded, dependents. And then when Upanayam is done, we become Dvija, twice born, some samskara. And when you go to Veda class like this or elsewhere, then you are all becoming Vipras. That is your vibration. The vibration stability comes. Something like our Bhatt asking, Sir, Namgu mantra artha madkodadake technique ಬೇಕು sir ಅಂತ. So that kind of technique is what important, the methodology. So that's why here Uta Arbhakam and Ma, the two Naha Arbhakam. Naha does not mean only you have your family members. No, all mankind, all animal kind. Everybody has got babies. So that's why in America there is a shop called Babies R Us. The babies are ours, not yours. So whatever baby wants, we supply. A big mall will be there. But in India, of course, we call Thailand. So in Commercial Street, we have got one Thailand in cantonment. I don't know elsewhere. So Arbhakam, they also want, they have desires and they should also be taken care. Again, Ma, Na Utshantam. Utshantam means those babies who are in pregnancy, who are in the womb, mother's womb. So they are also to be taken care. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months pregnancy. So the pregnant lady must have the baby inside quite healthy and must give rise and give the safe delivery. Not cesarean. These days doctors say I want to use instrument. No, it should be a normal delivery. We are all normal delivery babies. There used to be 10 people, the mother used to give birth, but all the 10 are normal babies. Like that, because of the Rudra Anugraha, because he is the creator. Whomever he wants to depute in this world, he must see that there should not be Janma Dukkha or that Garbhavasa Dukkha. They should happily come out and then keep on doing their activity. That's why. And again, Mana Uchitam. Uchitam means those who are just born. So who are in the womb, one, and who are out from the womb of the mother. And Mahantam. So like that, that is say every being goes through a process right from conception up to delivery and beyond delivery and up to consummation or exit. Therefore, Utshantam. Again, meanwhile, what is the God to do? Manovati hipitaram motamataram. So in the 10th Anuvaka of Rudram, he is also putting forth what more you want. One. Another thing is Pitaram ma vadhihi naha. Pitaram means the father, immediate. Father is a protector. Father is a caretaker. And mother is the nurse. Mother is some. That's why Pitaram, first of all, the protector should be taken care. If father is there, all arrangements he will do to take the mother and baby home. Because mother and baby cannot be independent, they depend. Somebody must be there to take the delivered mother, baby home. That's why first thing to be protected is the protector should be protected. That's why you always make a prayer to Goddess Saraswati, Prano Devi Saraswati. And there, there is that whoever are protecting us, Saraswati must protect them primarily. And when protection is ensured, your continuation is also promised. That's why Manovati Pitaram Mota Mataram. Mataram, mother, Uta means end, and not only father, not only the protector, not only the ruler. See, father is, that's why to all people, the king of the country is supposed to be the law. He's a lawmaker, law promoter, and law executor, and protector. That's why Pitaram, Mota, Mataram, not the mother. See, in Kalidasa, in Abhijnana Sakuntalam, gives a wonderful idea. Who is a Pita? Yes, Prajaha Swa Swa iti mantrayitva. Dushyanta Maharaja used to spend a lot of time sitting upon the throne in the court with a view. Prajaha Swa Swa iti mantrayitva. He was thinking all people are his own people, are his own children. Nishevate Shantamana Viviktam Yuthani Sanchalya Ravi Prataptaha. Like that it goes. So he comes to retire in the night after great fatigue and tiresomeness, protecting, looking after people as though they are his own children. A king should consider like that. And again, a guru also should consider the Sishyas like that. Karatala. So the gurus are, Sishyas are the Karatala Putras. They're all born from the blessings of the Guru. Because Agnanam Rundhati, Guru, Gu and Ra. So that's why Guru is also a father. And father is in the house family. And Guru is next father. And so on. There are 5 people who are important, coming under the heading Pitaram. And again, Mataram. Nursing is important. The moment we are born, we look for food, we become hungry. You should cry the moment you're out from the mother's womb. And if not, you cry, and the doctor will make you cry. And that first cry is the sign of hunger, sign of many, many things taking out from the, because mother's womb is so cozy and comfortable for the baby, but not for long. It should get out. That should be pushed out. And then come into the world and open and see the sunlight. So the baby takes little trouble to open and see the sunlight. So from dark chambers for 9 months, it comes into the light. And that light she should be able to, or he should be able to stand. So Mataram is important. Mother takes all that nursing. And Priya Manas Tanuvaha. See, all my body, Priya Tanuvaha, Rudra Maririshaha, Priya Tanuvaha. That is our body. Tanu means liable for growth. Jayate, Parinamate, Vardhate, Mriyate cha. All beings are born. They go through change. They grow big, develop, and ultimately they disappear. So these are the 4 features that take place constantly to all beings who are delivered upon this earth. ಭೂಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನಗೇನು ಭಯ, ಚಿಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಟೆಂಪರರಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಕೃಷ್ಣ, our Shankaracharya says, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Samprapte Sannihite Kale Nahi Nahi Rakshadidu Kurun Karane. Like that here also, I mean to say that all thoughts given out by Acharyas and so many poets is nothing but an outcome, inspiration from our Vedic, from our Vedas, from our mantras. That's why Vedokhilo Dharma Moolam. Dharma is also the truth, the thoughts, noble thoughts. So dharma is noble, adharma is ignoble. So those who adopt adharma, asatyam, they perish. And those who resort to dharma, they always prosper, always they are remembered, they become immortals. That's why we make a prayer to Rudra, who will make us immortal, though our sarira is not there, but name should be there. That's why Dandin, in his Kavya Darsha thing, says that Adiraja Yashobimbam Adarsham Prapya Vangmayam Tesham Asannidhanepi Nasvayam Pasya Nasyati. So the Maharajas are not now, but they say Adarsham Prapya Vangmayam. The literature has become a mirror. And in the literature mirror, we see them constantly, the Ashoka and all those people. Therefore, Rudra Maririshaha. And again, not only the bigger portion, another set of protection we demand, Manasto Ketanaye Mana Ayushi Mano Goshu Mano Asveshu Ririshaha. Again, Maririshaha. So you had repeatedly put a petition to the Lord because they're so busy. Maririshaha, Maririshaha, hammer the head of Rudra, who are more there. And also, he says, Toka, Tanaya, Ayushi, Go, Ashwa. These are all the things we wanted. You see, look at Toka and Tanaya, the children, grandchildren, and all people who are born, not only for humans, all others also. So Toka and Tanayas. And Ayushi, Ayush is health. The word Ayuhu has got 4 meanings. See, Ayurveda does not only treat the diseases, it gives you a lot of instructions, how best you can manage your life. See, when once we are given some length of life, span of life, you should be careful to manage it appropriately and see that you will have a nice ending. That's why Sunayasena Maranam Vinadainyena Jivanam. How is it possible? Govinda Padaradhanena. If you are to, Govinda means taking care of the life that we are given, taking care of the protector of the life that we are given. So that's what is called Govinda. So here Ayushi, and next to come to Goshu, Asveshu. Go is knowledge. Go is the cow. Go is the earth. So many meanings are there for the word go in Sanskrit. So that's why if you are Sanskrit students, you will really enjoy the communication that our mantras or our slokas or our talk in Sanskrit being done to us. So Goshu means the cows, because the cow immediate meaning, after 6 months, the woman, the mother becomes no more used to us. She will shift our growth to a cow's milk. So even until the last breath of life, people depend upon milk. If not, they are able to take solid foods, you are advised to take liquids. That's why Annapaneshu Sarvada. Say Annapaneshu, Annam and Panam. If not, Panam is added, Annam also. Ye Anneshu. You are going to say that Ye Anneshu Vidhyanti Patreshu Pipato Janano. There are many more Rudras, the retinue of Rudra, Deva, who are present in the Annam and Panam. Their presence is there in the food and drinks, because food and drink both are important. Mere food is problem. Mere drink is not satisfactory. Therefore, if food and drink is given, you are upset. That's what. So among all fruits in the world, the coconut is important. It's called Purna Phalam, because it contains food and water, unadulterated water. So, and moreover, there are 3 eyes for that Trinetra or Triguna. Number of meanings are there for the 3 marks that you find at the top of that the moment you remove the sikha. So, whenever you make offering to the god, you should remove the sikha and show those 3 things to the god. That 3 is indicative of so many things, symbolic of that. So here, we say that Tanuvaha, Rudrarishaha, Tanay, and Goshu, and Ashwas. Why these Ashwas are specifically mentioned? Because Ashwa, the horse, is a transport animal. See, without transportation of things and ourselves, we are never happy upon the earth. COVID is enough experience for many people. Never they started out of the house. Always, whenever you phone people, you get the first caution: stay home, wear mask, wash your hands, keep 6 feet distance. Are you not tired of this kind of slogan, which is repeated by the BSNL? No, we have to do it. So that's why the communication and transportation is important. If that is not much, we are tired. Therefore, we want all the horses, the transporting animals or transporting systems must be quite good. And again, another set of meaning is Viran Mano Rudra Bhamito Vadhihi. So, hey Rudra, Bham. Bha is anger. Bha is a wrath. Bha. That's why the Bha is another word for Bha is Manu. Namaste Rudra Manyava. At the outset itself, you have made a salutation to Rudra Manu. That is the anger. Aya, Niku Namaskaram, Ni Kopali Namaskaram, which you bone say antar. See, sometimes what all you want to cow down somebody, they say Niku Namaskaram, Ni Kopaniki Namaskaram. So you come and take your food or take your share. Like that here also, Hey Rudra, Itaha Bham avadhihi vira. So you just send away your anger from my protectors, Viran. So from our Viras, you see that is, you try to protect me and my protectors. Secondly, to do that job, we should give you something. Namasa vidhemate havishmantaha. We will have in our hands plenitude of food for you. Ahutigal. So ahutigalinda, havissinda, ನಿನಗೆ ನಾವು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಹುತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನೋ, ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯು, ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್. ಅಗ್ನಯ ಇದಂ ನ ಮಮ, ರುದ್ರ ಇದಂ ನ ಮಮ. Like that we keep on telling. Then you say namasa vidhema te. We are going to stop there. Then in the next verse, in the next line, we are also continuing, because we must give him a list. Bigger list is there in Chamakam, which we are going to see even afterwards. So in this we have got a preliminary list, just to standby list on the small one we are giving. That's why here also in this you see we have got another small list, Goghna, Upurushagna. So these two people are there, Goghnas and Purushagnas. Them also you should keep away, because we will be dead. Our protection could be in the manner you protect the cows, you protect our protectors, Purushagne. And therefore he will be called as a Chayadviraha. Chayadviraha means he will always take note of the opposing forces to you, the enemies. Enemies does not mean only the outside people. Inside also there are 6 enemies: Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. These are all the impending problems which is difficult to get out. Among them, the anger is most important devil. In other words, it is called short temper. Temper is calmness. If it becomes short, problematic. If it becomes more, also problem. Blood pressure, everybody has got BP. But it is more and less tablets we take. Otherwise, we don't bother about tablet at all. We are normalized. So we don't, those people who don't have BP, I mean blood pressure higher or lower, they are all very safe. Like that, because BP is one which kills people and not telling, asymptomatic killer in our body. So one has to be checking that. That's what. So here, Gogna, Purushagna. And ultimately, we should also wish for the safety of the God. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸಾಕ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಭಕ್ತನಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ಯೋಗಕ್ಷೇಮನು ಕೂಡ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಋಷಿಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಗುಡ್ನೆಸ್. ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸೇಫ್, ದೇ ಕೆನಾಟ್ venture to make us safe. Therefore, asme te sumna mastu. Sumna is shanti, peace, maunam. In Tamil, they have chuma. The chuma in Sanskrit, in Tamil, is that we have to be silent. In other words, in English, we say muni. Maunat muni ruchyate. And maunam is a sukham, because you don't entertain any more arguments or problems. That's why all sages get on to Maunam. And some people, one day Maunam they observe. 7 days Maunam they observe. So even Varamana or somebody, Mauna Vratam. Maunam. So here Sumna means, Maunam means absolute complacence and happiness within oneself. Then that Rudra must have, because Rudra is always bubbling with anger, bubbling with ferociousness and high rate. All these things are there. But when all of them have been cowed down, then Rudra will be comfortable for us, because he is by himself comfortable. So Sumna to us, Sumna to him. Comfort to him, comfort to us, makes the entire situation highly comfortable. Therefore, we see that when we recite Rudram, when we do worship to Rudra, we are all going to be Sumnas. Not only the deity whom we worship is Sumna, not only, also the worshipper, worshipped, the lokas all become Sumna. So, Sumnamasme te astu. So, itaraha marta ide, chuma chanagide. I hope you are enjoying the Rudram, where so many details have been collected or mentioned to make Rudra quite busy to sort out and attend to all these things, having been worshipped or having been offered with 175 namaskaras. One namaskara ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ how not the God keep quiet? No, he will become absolutely calm. So next things, again we are being given credit in that stu hisrutam gartasadam. This line is important and we'll discuss this more in next class. So where is this Rudra? You need not think that he is away and you have to search for him. You have to have vehicles to go after him. Nothing. Gartasadam. Garta is our Hudaya Guhara. Hruddeshe Arjuna Tisthami. You already noted that God is there in our own heart, in our own self. Atma Guhayam Nihitosya Janto. Asya Janto Atma Guhayam Nihitaha. So that Atma Guha is otherwise described as Gartasadam. So Sada is settled down. So he is seated in our own heart. What is there in our heart, we have to bring it out. And that only you should worship. That's why you say in Prana Pratishtha, Uchvasa Nisvasa Rupena Bahiragatya Asmin Bambe Kalase Pratishtantu Swaha. Is it not? Like that you say that you come out, the prana inside must come out and settle down on the article which you want to have a prana. That's why Gartasadam. So Ardram Jolati Jyoti Rahamasmi Yohamasmi Brahmahamasmi Ahameva Mam Juhomi Swaha is Mahanarana Upanishad. That is what Jyoti is there inside our Garta, inside our heart. That only you have to bring it out. My professor Krishnamurti was telling you the candle of light, which is there in our heart, has to be brought out, and that you should try to worship. Then the inside candle, outside candle of light become identified, and you will be all right. Something like disease is a poison, medicine outside we take as a poison. So poison makes you all right. So earlier days, when you go to a medical shop, they used to put the label at every shelf, poison. Nowadays, not like that. So we used to see when our young days, we used to go to medical shop and then read the label, poison. Means you cannot, unless you have poison, you can't take poison outside. Like that here also, we have the Gartasadam, Yuvanam, and so on. So I stop here. Probably I'm taking more time, and you are all very much thankful. Om Swasti Sahana Bhavatu.
Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti 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 Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyanto Ma Kaschid Dukkhabhag Bhavet. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat.
Very happy you're all there. So slowly we are understanding that this particular Rudram is very convenient for us. When we recite Rudram, you are pleasing each and every god. Tom, Dick, and Mary of the gods are pleased with Rudram, because Rudra and Rudrani both are appraised in this particular Rudra. Thank you very much. Probably.
Namaskaram.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Guruji.
Guruji. Namaste. Namaste.
So you please spread this message to some other people, because evening 7 o'clock is not late for you. That too on Saturday. It's not sleep time. You make more people to join. Now from Germany, Sachin has joined, and it's really nice that he will be able to know more about it. Thank you.
Namaste, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, your article is too good, Amma. So, and
Thank you, sir.
anyway, yeah, I will just project only summary of what you have written, and the
Ah.
full article will have it in Vedaganga, because 9 pages, alva.
Yes, sir.
So that you cannot get in the Vedana Sarita. I will just project a few ideas of you in the August issue. Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
sir. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Anyway, see, because of you, I am just remembering all our Karnabhara and Dasa, all these people.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Because I taught Karnabhara drama to students sometime.
Okay.
So good, thank you.
The 13th place I translated, sir.
Oh, you did it, huh? Wonderful.
Already I did it, but I didn't publish it because I didn't find any right person to publish it.
Oh, there are so many people. Amma, you ask
No,
Motilal people or Banarsi Das or
no, actually, if we translate it to Hindi, they'll accept, sir. If we have done in Kannada.
Kannada means only Karnataka publishers are there in Kannada, in Bangalore, elsewhere. You can ask these fellows, that RSS people, Chamarajpet, all Mahabharata and Ramayana series are published. I'm not getting the name of that publisher. In fact, they want.
Yes, sir. Bharata Pradakshana Prakashana.
In Chamarajpet, 4th Main Road down, we have got that publisher. In fact, he had come, sir, books kodi anta. So, because one act plays only small one, and I don't know. I'm not getting. If I get it, I will give you the number. No, not
Yes.
number. You can find out. You can ask
Yes.
some publications in Kannada.
Vedanta publications. Vedanta publications.
Vedanta publications ಒಂದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚಾಮರಾಜಪೇಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೋತ್ಥಾನ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್.
ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೋತ್ಥಾನ.
ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್
ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೋತ್ಥಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದೌದು. ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೋತ್ಥಾನದವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಎಡಿಟರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ.
ಇವರು ಸರ್ ಡಿ ವಿ ಜಿ ಅವರ ಶಿಷ್ಯರೇ ಇದೆ ರಾಮಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೋತ್ಥಾನ.